The deep sea is full of secrets, and this one looks like a nightmare made by nature itself. Meet the mushroom soft coral. At first, it looks harmless, like a floating mushroom, but it's anything but ordinary. Found deep in the ocean where sunlight never reaches, it thrives under crushing pressure and freezing temperatures. Scientists call it a living alien because of its strange, glowing colors and wavy, hypnotic movements. What makes it terrifying? The mushroom soft coral isn't just beautiful, it's a predator in disguise. Tiny plankton and small creatures drift into its tentacle-like structures, and it traps them effortlessly. Its eerie glow lights up the dark abyss like a neon ghost, mesmerizing anyone who sees it. Imagine floating next to this glowing alien mushroom in total darkness. Would you survive the hypnotic sight? Comment below, and don't forget to smash like and subscribe for 1 week of unstoppable luck before this video ends.